Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a blend door actuator gear in your Jeep Grand Cherokee. This component is crucial for regulating your cabin's temperature, mixing hot and cold air. When it malfunctions, you might notice inconsistent airflow, clicking noises, or incorrect temperature from your vents. Often, the small plastic gear inside the actuator is the culprit. We will cover the necessary tools, such as a T20 Torx bit and a 7mm socket, to prepare you for this repair, which can save you significant time and money. Now, let's prepare your vehicle and access the actuator. First, for safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your battery, typically found under the passenger seat. Next, open and remove the glove box, which usually involves releasing a few clips and screws. You may also need to gently pry off some surrounding trim panels or air ducts to gain better access. Once these are out of the way, you will clearly see the blend door actuator, often secured by 2 or 3 small screws. With the actuator exposed, it is time for the replacement. Begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical harness from the actuator. Simply press the release tab and pull. Next, use your T20 Torx bit to remove the 2 or 3 screws holding the actuator in place. Once these fasteners are out, gently pull the actuator away from its mounting. You can then open the actuator's plastic housing to access the internal gears. Replace the broken plastic gear with your new one, ensuring it is correctly seated. Finally, let's reassemble everything and test your repair. After installing the new gear, securely close the actuator housing. Position the actuator back onto its mounting point and fasten it with the 2 or 3 T20 Torx screws. Reconnect the electrical connector firmly. Now, reinstall any removed trim panels, air ducts, and the glove box. Reconnect your battery's negative terminal. Start your vehicle and cycle the climate control from full cold to full hot to ensure the blend door operates smoothly and correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.